Hello everyone, welcome back to SLOVIC Fitness channel. This video is part of our fat loss series. This video consists of 6 easy exercises which you can literally do anywhere without needing any equipment. All you need is a little space and a screen which you can keep right in front of you so that you can follow along with me. Simple exercises like these help burn calories throughout your day because it increases your calorie expenditure. Also, if you like short workout videos like this which you can basically do anywhere, subscribe to SLOVIC Fitness and save this video for future purposes. Alright, without further ado, let's get into our exercises. Our first exercise in the whole routine is going to be jogging in place. This basically is a warm-up exercise for everything which is coming up next. Alright, so let's get started. Basically, just have to jog on your knees. You're going to do this for 30 seconds, 2 sets each. Keep breathing through your nose. Come on, you've got this. That's 30 seconds. And that is our first set. We're going to do that again. If you are breathing a little heavier, it's okay. You can take like a 5 to 10 second break and then get back for our second set. Alright, let's go. Let's do a second set of jogging in place. This is a pretty beginner friendly exercise and it starts getting your body warmed up and your heart rate elevated for what's coming next. 30 seconds again. Keep breathing through your nose. Alright, that's your second set of jogging in place. Our next exercise is going to be elbow to knee squats. You can take a little breather if you're breathing heavy, have some water and then come back. I'll show you how to do elbow to knee squats. Alright, let's go. We are going to do elbow to knee squats now. We are going to do 15 of these for 2 sets each. So here's how you do it. Keep your hands behind your head, go down like a normal squat, and when you come up, put your elbow towards your opposite knee. This way. That's 1. That's 2. Alright, we're going to do 15 of these for 2 sets each. Let's go with our first set. This helps works your obliques, your entire body. It just increases heart rate as well, which burns more calories. I love this exercise. That's 15. You can take a little breather and then we'll go on with our second set. Also, if you like short workout videos like these, which you can basically do anywhere without any equipment, we have got a bunch of these videos on our channel. So subscribe to SLOVIC Fitness and save this video for future purposes. Alright, let's go. Let's do our second set now. 15 reps. Push through your heels when you come up. Alright, our next exercise is called plank knee crunches. It's basically a plank, but you have to do crunches along with it, and I'll show you how to do it. Firstly, you go into the plank position. Once you're in your plank position, Put one of your leg forward and crunch your abs and squeeze them totally. That's 1 rep. That's 2 reps. Alright, we are going to do 20 of these for 2 sets each. Alright, let's go. Keep your core embraced, breathe through your nose and keep everything slow and controlled. Alright, let's go. Plank position first and then start crunches. Squeeze your abs. You should feel a slight burn in your abs. Let me know in the comments which one of these exercises which we are going through the whole routine is your favorite one. Personally for me, my favorite one in this video is elbow to knee squat. Let me know about yours in the comments. Let's do a second set now. I want you all to squeeze your core totally. That is when like your muscles break down and then like it gets repaired when you sleep. Alright, we want that to happen. Let's go. Almost there, keep going. I feel a nice squeeze burn on my abs. Hope you all are feeling it too. That's our second set, and now we'll move on to our next exercise. Alright, so our next exercise is going to be a Russian twist. The one which we are going to do is for your obliques. So basically this part of your abs is called your obliques, and this, the front part which looks like biscuits, are your abs. Like they are called your abs. Alright, so here's how you do this. You can keep your feet placed on the ground if you want, but I would say it's better to keep them a little bit elevated over the ground. It just helps with the contraction more. So what we want to do, we want to squeeze all of our obliques together and stretch the other side while squeezing this side. Alright, here's an example. So keep your hands together and squeeze everything over here, alright, this way. Also, we are going to do 20 reps of these for 2 sets each. Let's get started with our first set. Squeeze those obliques. Alright, that's your first set. We're going to do that again for a second set. You can take a little breather, you can maybe pause the video, go sip some water and come back. And then we'll do our second set of Russian twists. Alright, let's go. Let's start with our second set of Russian twists. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to SLOVIC Fitness. Alright, that's our second set of Russian twist. And now for our next exercise, we are going to do half burpees. Alright, this is how you do a half burpee. You go down and all you have to do is bring both of your knees forward this way. and backwards. This is all we have to do. We're going to do this for 15 reps, 2 sets each. Let's go. Exercises like burpees include a lot of muscles in the body which are being moved at the time. So this is one of the most fat burning exercises from the whole routine. So do not skip this one. Alright, that's the first set of half burpees. You can take a little breather and then come back. Alright, let's go. Let's do a second set of half burpees now. 15 reps again, good form. Don't cheat on this one. You can do it at your own pace, but do it with good form. That's the second set of half burpees. Take a little breather and then we are going to do the final exercise of this whole routine. Alright, for our last exercises, we are going to do lying leg raises. Here's how you do it. This exercise helps strengthen your lower abs and bring that lower abdominal V taper. The V part which is near your lower abdomen. Yes, this one builds that. Alright, so we are going to do this 15 reps, 2 sets each. This is our last one, so let's give it our all. Let's go. Alright, hands under your hips, legs straight. And that's 1 rep. 15 times more now. Do this at your own pace. And that's 15 reps. You can take a little rest and then we'll get back to it for our last set of this whole routine. Let's go, you've got this. Alright, let's go. Let's finish our routine strong. 15 more reps of lying leg raises. Do not cheat. Do it at your own pace if you want to, but keep your form good. Let's go. Let's finish this together. Hands under your hips, flat on your back. Let's go. Alright, with that we finished today's easy and effective fat loss routine. For more videos like these, subscribe to SLOVIC Fitness. We have a bunch of other videos regarding fat loss, and that's it for today. We'll see you all in the next one.